Good morning. Yeah, welcome to another lesson this morning. And today we'll be looking at basic science. And basic science today we'll be looking at an important part of our body. And that part of our body is one of those parts that helps us to receive information from our environment. It helps us to do what? Receive information from our environment. And the part is the ear. The part is the ear. Everyone touch your ear. Touch your ear. Now I have my ear here. Can you see the ear? You have the eardrum. Can you see the eardrum? You have the peanut. Can you see the peanut? I can touch my peanut. Can you see that? Peanut, eardrum. Look at my ear. Okay? Are you touching your ear over there? Please touch your ear. The ear is one of the parts of the body that helps us to receive information from our environment. And I told you that we have 5 different parts of the body that can help us receive information from our environment. What are those parts of the body that can help us receive information from our environment? We have the eye, the ear, the nose, the tongue. How many have I mentioned? Eye, 1, ear, 2, nose, 3, tongue, 4, and the skin. It helps us to receive information from our environment. It tells us what is happening in our environment. Today we'll be looking at the ear. We'll be looking at the sense organ for hearing, which is the ear. The ear is a part of the body that helps us hear sounds from our environment. Okay? So it can help you. Maybe you are sleeping and you happen to hear sound. People shooting gun up and down. What do? You just wake up. You were sleeping, mind you. You just wake up and you start, what's happening? What's happening? Because the ear has passed information to you. It has helped in passing information of what is happening in your environment to you, even when you were sleeping. Now, the ear is the sense organ for hearing. We'll be looking at different things and the sound they make. The first thing we'll be looking at is something that doesn't have life in it. The clock. The wall clock. The first object we'll be looking at is the clock. What is the sound a clock makes? A clock ticks. When you see a clock moving, tick, 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 that's the sound a clock makes. Animals and objects. A clock is an object. A clock is an object. An object doesn't have life in it. So a clock is an object. And what is the sound made by a clock? A clock ticks. A clock do what? Ticks. Clock ticks. Clock makes the sound tick, 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 tick. So, clock ticks. Now, the second is a lion. A lion is an animal. The second is lion. What is the sound you hear a lion? Roar, roar. A lion roars. A lion do what? Roar. Can you see the sound? You can hear. That's the sound made by a lion. So lion roar while clock ticks. Now the second animal we're looking at is cat. How many of us have heard a cat making a sound? Meow, 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 meow. Hear the sound of a cat. A cat meow. A cat what? Meow. Now let's look at it. Cat meow. M-E-W. Cat what? Meow. Now we have looked at the object clock. We said a clock ticks. An animal lion, lion roar. Cat, cat meow, meow, meow. Then you can now say, do you have a cat in this house? I can hear a meow sound. I can hear a cat meow. Okay? But this now, just get your basic science textbook. Are you with me? I have basic science textbook. Can you see your basic science text? Open to page 17, where you have the ear. Can you see that? Page 17, where you have the ear. You can see the ear there. You can see what we can use the ear for. Use the ear to hear sounds of what is happening in our environment, and also use our ear to hear sounds made by animals in our environment. Now with this now, apart from listening to sounds of animals in our environment and sounds made by objects in our environment, what else do we use our ear for? We use it to listen to music. When you listen to music, you dance to your music. Okay? We use it to listen to music, which makes us dance to that music. So we have different things we use ear to do, listening to different things. Now, after looking at it, please go to your page 18. On page 18, you have questions to answer. Okay? You have questions to answer. Please answer the questions on page 18 and also on page, look at your page 18 and look at your page 19. Answer the questions on page 18 and the questions on page 19 neatly. Please don't make mistakes. Remember, I don't want to see you canceling in your text. As you write, make sure you write well, okay, and neatly. I wish you the best. Please, after writing your homework, kindly snap and send it to the group website. Okay? Thank you and stay connected. Bye.